Hello, everyone. Hello, John.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our English podcast.
Welcome, welcome.
John, how are you today?
I am good, Sarah. I am happy.
That is great. I am happy too.
I like learning English with you.
I like teaching English with you.
Thank you, teacher.
You are welcome, student. Morning routine. Today we talk about daily activities.
Daily activities.
Yes, things we do every day.
Every day.
We start with the morning.
Morning.
John, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
7 in the morning?
Yes, 7 in the morning.
Good. I wake up at 6.
6 is early.
Yes, it is early.
I like to sleep.
Me too. I like sleep.
But we wake up.
Yes, we wake up. What do you do after you wake up?
I open my eyes.
That is important.
Yes, first I open my eyes.
Then what?
I get out of bed.
You get out of bed.
Yes, slowly.
Slowly is good.
I am sleepy.
I am sleepy too. Do you wash your face?
Yes, I wash my face.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brush my teeth.
Brush your teeth every day.
Every day.
Good job. What do you do next?
I drink water.
You drink water.
Yes, cold water.
That is healthy.
Healthy is good.
Breakfast time. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
Breakfast is important.
Important.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Bread and eggs.
Yes, simple food.
Simple food is good. Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
I drink coffee.
Coffee is strong.
Yes, coffee is strong.
Tea is calm.
Tea is calm. I like that. Do you eat breakfast alone?
No, I eat with my family.
That is nice.
We talk and eat.
Talking and eating is good practice.
Practice English?
Yes, practice English.
I will try.
Getting ready. After breakfast, what do you do?
I get ready.
You get ready.
Yes, I take a shower.
You take a shower.
The water is warm.
Warm water feels good. Do you choose your clothes?
Yes, I choose my clothes.
What do you wear today?
I wear a shirt and pants.
Nice and simple.
Simple again.
Simple is perfect for beginners.
Like me.
Do you look in the mirror?
Yes, I look in the mirror.
What do you see?
I see my face.
Do you smile?
Yes, I smile.
Smiling is good English practice.
Really?
Yes, happy learners learn better. Going out. Do you go to work or school?
I go to work.
How do you go to work?
I walk.
You walk.
Yes, I like walking.
Walking is healthy.
Healthy again.
Do you see people on the way?
Yes, I see people.
Do you say hello?
Yes, I say hello.
Hello is an easy word.
Hello, hello, hello.
Very good. At work. What do you do at work?
I work with people.
People are everywhere.
Yes, many people.
Do you talk at work?
Yes, I talk a lot.
In English?
A little English.
That is great. Do you work all day?
I work in the morning.
And in the afternoon?
I work again.
Work, work, work.
Yes, work, work, work.
Lunchtime. Do you eat lunch?
Yes, I eat lunch at 1.
What do you eat?
I eat rice and chicken.
Rice and chicken.
Yes, I like it.
Do you drink water at lunch?
Yes, I drink water.
Water again.
Water is important.
Very important. Do you rest after lunch?
Yes, I rest a little.
Rest is good.
My eyes rest.
Your brain rests too. Afternoon and evening. What do you do in the afternoon?
I finish work.
Then what?
I go home.
Home is nice.
Home is warm.
Do you relax at home?
Yes, I relax.
How do you relax?
I sit, I drink tea.
Tea again.
Yes, tea again.
Do you study English in the evening?
Yes, I study English.
With who?
With you.
With me?
Yes, on this podcast.
I am happy to hear that. Night routine. What do you do at night?
I eat dinner.
What do you eat for dinner?
Simple food again.
Simple is our friend.
Yes, simple friend.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
In English?
Sometimes, slowly.
Slowly is perfect. What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10.
10 is good.
I am tired.
Sleep is important. Short review. Now let's review.
Review time.
In the morning, you wake up.
I wake up.
You wash your face.
I wash my face.
You eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
You work. You eat lunch. You go home.
Work, lunch, home.
In the evening, you relax and study English.
Relax and study English.
At night, you sleep.
I sleep.
Great job today, John.
Thank you, Sarah.
You did very well.
I am learning slowly.
Slowly and clearly. Thank you for listening to our podcast.
Thank you, everyone.
If you like this lesson, please like the video.
Please like the video.
Write a comment.
Write a comment.
Subscribe to the channel for more English every day.
Subscribe and learn English every day.
See you next time.
See you. Bye-bye.